Good morning, everyone. A brand new day awaits us. Ever have one of those days where everything just piles up? The deadline moved up, the coffee maker broke, and you're pretty sure your coworkers are actively plotting against you. We've all been there. In that moment of tension, your brain is screaming for a way out. And then someone sends you a ridiculously funny meme. Or you remember a stupid joke and you laugh. For that 1 second, your problem doesn't disappear, but your relationship to it changes. Laughter is your brain's secret reset button. It forces a shift in perspective, cutting through the stress cycle and giving you a moment of clear, calm air. It's not about avoiding problems. It's about powering up to face them. Good morning, everyone, and God bless.